So it is 5:30 in the morning and it is still dark and I'm all set for my morning walk. So this is the temple pond where a lot of people come for their morning walks. Even my mother comes and today I thought of accompanying her. You can hear the prayers being offered to Lord Krishna, which is a everyday ritual. So the sun has not risen till now, but it is really pleasant. There's freshness in the air. You can hear the birds chirping. It's really chilly and it's really nice to walk over here. Listening to the prayers while walking gives us the energy, for the entire day. It is really, really beautiful. Hello, it has been 3 months now. We've been in Kerala and almost time to go. I'm really sad and I'm going to miss everyone over here. So, good morning. Usually I start my day by sitting in the swing because it's really fresh in the morning and there's no sunlight, there is breeze. It's really pleasant. And today I thought of shooting a day in Trivandrum. So you would be seeing what all I do. So come on, let's see how my day goes. So here my usual online classes are going on. So my morning online classes start from around 8 or 7:50 and it goes till about 12:41. I really not like this, but I really don't have any other choice. And whenever I get a break, I go out and play with my brother in the swing. That's the best part being in Kerala. Over here, my brother is enjoying cartoons after his online class. Such a lucky fellow he is. So now my class is over. Now we are going to stationery shop to buy some bags and some pouches. So come on. The stationery shop is just at the end of this road. So now we are going back now after shopping. So now I'll go home, eat lunch, which is my grandma's special biryani, and then I have tuition, and then I'll think what I will do in the evening. So for lunch, this is the special chicken biryani, which I'm going to enjoy with this pineapple salad. So this is a small dining area. Over there is a living room. This is my biryani. And here is my grandmother. After this, I have my tuition and then I'll think what I will do in the evening. Evening time, after having tea, we are in the back side of the house. See? There's a big mango tree over here. Over here we have a neem tree. So that is our drawing room, and over there we have guest room. This is our kitchen, which you've already seen. And now we are going to go up and let's see what all are there. My uncle and aunt. My mother, this is my mother and father on their wedding. Let us go up, come on. See? There is a small area over here and come, let's see up. This is my grandparents' room. and that is my mother's room. And over here is my this is my uncle's cycle, and over here is my uncle's room. Now we are going to go to the terrace. Come on. And over there you can see my grandfather watering. And from the terrace you get an amazing view. So come on. So we've reached the terrace and look at the view. It is so beautiful. From here you get an amazing view of Holy Angels Convent, the old school. There are a lot of houses and trees. It is so pleasant over here, so nice. We're going to go down. The stairs are really steep and scary, so we have to go carefully. So this is the view from here and here. So this is an old school. This is where my grandmother studied. So now we are going for a drive around the city along with my mom's aunt and uncle. And let us see what all we can find in Trivandrum. This is the very old university library. This is the backside of the university library. This is the Kerala University. And this is the front side of the university library. This is the backside of the Chandrasekhar Nair Stadium. It is a really famous stadium. And over here lot of functions, sport functions take place. So as you can see, it is a really big stadium. See, this is the stadium. And over here is the State Legislative Assembly building. See? London Mission Society compound, which has the CSI church and other church complexes. It also has the women's hostel and other things. This is the Trivandrum Corporation office. And now you can see the famous Trivandrum Zoo. It is one of the oldest zoo in India, and it occupies 55 acres of lakes, lawns and woodland. It was established in 1857, and Swati Tirunal Ramavarma was the visionary behind it. It also has the Napier Museum, which is an art and natural history museum. It also contains the Sri Chitra Art Gallery. This is the other entrance of the zoo. See this? On this road, which is the museum road, coming further, you will find the Kanagakunnar Palace, built by Sri Moolam Tirunal, and was used by the Travancore royal family to entertain its guests and serve non-vegetarian food, as the royal family was vegetarian. And it has the Nishaganti open air auditorium and Suryakanti auditorium, where a lot of cultural programs like dances and all are conducted here every year. And this is the hustling bustling Vellambalam junction. And over here is the Bishop House. Lot of eateries and shops to do shopping can be found in Vellambalam Junction. And this is the Palayam Road, and over there you can see the famous Palayam Church. So this is the Palayam Church, also known as St. Joseph's Metropolitan Cathedral. On the right side of the road is the Palayam Juma Masjid, which is the principal mosque of Trivandrum. This is also a very busy road. This also has the Palayam vegetable market. And over there is the University College. And over here comes the Kerala Secretariat, which was constructed in the 1865 and completed in the 1869. It incorporates the Roman and Dutch architecture. The construction was supervised by the then Diwan T. Madhava Rao, whose statue now stands across the road. So this is the famous Trivandrum MG Road, where a lot of shops and restaurants are there. And now we are finally done for the day and we are reaching our house. My grandmother has already lit the lamp in front of the Tulsi plant, and I am again back on the swing after returning home. And what a day it was. It's 22nd June and only one day is left to leave, and today RT-PCR test would be done. I'm a little scared. So these are my granny's kitties. This is Cowbell, that is Snowpuff, and that is Smokey. That is the most beautiful one. So it is evening time and we are on the way to go to Kovalam beach, and I hope we are lucky so that we can go to the beach, because due to corona time there are less chances that we are allowed to go. So we couldn't reach the Kovalam beach as the police didn't allow us to go, but instead we came to Shangmugam beach. So it is the really famous beach in Trivandrum. So see, but also over here we couldn't reach the beach as some renovations are going on. over there you can see the famous East Fort of Trivandrum. And now we are going towards the famous Sri Padmanabha Swami temple. Unfortunately, we couldn't go inside because due to corona, and even if we go inside, they wouldn't allow us to take the phone and cameras. But from the outside, we could see, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful and mesmerizing with lights. The name of the city Thiruvananthapuram means in Malayalam the city of Lord Ananta, which is the city of Lord Vishnu, referring to the deity of the Padmanabha Swami temple. And this is the temple pond, as you can see, and you can hear the ringing of bells during the evening puja. On the other side of the road also you have a small temple, and coming forward you can see a small famous Ganpati temple. This road has been recently renovated and it has lot of small shops and hotels. Usually one can find lot of tourists on this road, but due to corona restriction, less people are seen. So finally we are going home and we are done for the day. So cause we are really tired and we have a flight to catch tomorrow. So as you can see, all our suitcases are packed and we are all ready to go to the airport. So finally we have reached Trivandrum International Airport and my mother's aunt and cousin have come to drop us. Boarding pass have been collected, security check have been done, and now we are going towards our respective boarding gate to wait for the announcement to board the flight. So our flight for Mumbai has arrived and we are all set to board the flight wearing the face mask and face shield, and luckily we didn't have to wear the PP. So our flight has finally taken off, and for now, tata, bye bye Trivandrum, but we'll be coming soon. Finally about to reach Mumbai, as you can see. So I think it is cloudy and about to rain, but look from the sky, it looks so beautiful, and you can see the Marine Drive also, which is also called the Queen's Necklace. So we are almost about to land and I can't wait to meet my dad. collected our baggages and we are all set to go to home. Look at the state of my room. Bags have to be unpacked, luggages have to be unpacked, and it is going to take some time to get back to routine. So I've sat for my online classes, my early morning online classes. So as you can see, it's a rainy morning. It's a really fresh and chilly morning, but I still miss my grandmother and my grandfather, and especially my favorite place, the swing. So bye for now. Keep watching my channel. Tata.